reason we nominated Victoria is that throughout the 2 years of study, she just proved to be an exemplary student. She joined the course as an experienced practitioner. She brought with her a wealth of knowledge. Victoria's not the first who may have left school without many qualifications, who've always doubted their academic ability. That's where studying in a further education college sort of helps.
She stood out as the most experienced, professional student that really loved her job, loved working with the children. The activities I observed her carrying out were just so much fun. I enjoyed being part of them.
One of the units studied curriculum matters and she designed a poster. This is Victoria's poster here. And I just think that photograph actually encapsulates Victoria, her zest for life, the positive contribution she makes to any learning environment, both in the classroom and out in her place of work.
When I first started the course, I thought that I was good with the children, but now I understand so much more, that I can be better with them again. I can plan better activities for them and to be able to suit all their individual needs to make sure that they get a really good experience and a really good learning experience and they enjoy it more than anything. They learn in.
It's very, very rewarding as a tutor to see someone develop the way Victoria has. You know, I firmly believe if you enjoy your work and you believe you're doing your best for children, we can't ask for much more, can we? And I wish her all the best.